Introducing the 1953 Buick Special, a true classic with a timeless design. This model comes in a striking yellow paint, housing an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads just 500 miles, making it a remarkable find. The current owner mentions that the car runs with starter fluid, but it may require a fuel pump replacement or a gas tank flush to get it running smoothly. It features a small block Chevrolet motor, and all lights are in working condition. While the passenger seat is missing, this Buick Special is a great candidate for restoration or a weekend cruiser. A solid project for those who appreciate vintage American automobiles. Check the link for further details. Next up, a hard-to-find, rust-free 1975 Chevrolet Camaro. This classic retains its stock-matching 354-barrel engine and turbo 350 transmission. With 105,000 miles on the odometer, it runs, drives, and stops as expected. The engine has been freshened up with new seals, a new timing chain, and additional maintenance. It also features a B&M ratchet shifter, a 3-row aluminum radiator, and a Borla exhaust. Though lacking air conditioning and power windows, this Camaro is a fantastic find for muscle car enthusiasts. A well-maintained survivor that's ready for the road. Follow the link for additional information. Presenting the 1978 Lincoln Continental, a full-sized luxury coupe with timeless appeal. This model boasts a powerful 464-barrel V8 engine, dual exhaust, and a host of premium features, including power steering, power brakes, power seats, power windows, and power locks. With only 38,000 miles on the odometer, this Blue Beauty runs and drives as expected. It has been recently fitted with a new battery and new tires, making it road-ready for its next owner. A wonderful opportunity to own a true classic with iconic styling. Click the link for further details. This 1969 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a true gem, featuring the powerful 429 Thunderjet engine. With only 55,000 original miles, it remains in excellent condition. The two-door coupe comes equipped with power windows, power seats, and an automatic transmission. It has been meticulously maintained by its single owner, and it remains registered and roadworthy. The car sports new tires and a fresh battery, ensuring reliable performance. A fantastic piece of automotive history that's ready for its next owner. More details can be found via the provided link. Here we have a 1963 Chevrolet Biscayne, a hard-to-find body style with classic appeal. This vehicle features a 230 straight-six engine and a manual transmission. While it currently does not run, it has a clean, rust-free body, and brand-new tires have been installed. The car has been sitting for 2 years, but ran well before being parked. This Chevrolet Biscayne presents a great opportunity for restoration or a patina build. A solid project for those looking to bring a classic back to life. See the link for further information. Introducing the 1972 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn, rare 3/4-ton pickup truck. This truck is in need of total restoration but is a great project for a dedicated enthusiast. Under the hood, it houses a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. While it runs and has good oil pressure, there are some fuel delivery issues that may need to be addressed. The cab bottom, floors, and rockers show rust, but the upper cab and engine bay remain solid. A great candidate for a vintage truck build. Delivery is available. Check the link for more details. Up next, a 1961 Chevrolet C10 stepside Apache, a classic pickup with character. This truck retains its 283 V8 engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It comes with a clean Idaho title and has received several new parts, including a battery, carburetor, fuel pump, spark plugs, and filters. Despite its strong spark and fuel supply, it currently does not start and may require further troubleshooting. Some rust is present in the usual spots, but this is an excellent project for someone looking to restore an iconic American truck. Follow the link for additional details. Introducing the 1968 International 908 Short Bed, a vintage pickup that offers a solid foundation for restoration. It features a V8 304 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and new tires. The truck runs and drives, but could benefit from some additional work to fully bring it back to its former glory. It retains its original factory options, including air conditioning, making it a desirable model for collectors and restoration enthusiasts. A clean title is in hand, and registration is up to date. See the link for more details. This 1965 Chevrolet C20 Custom Cab is an excellent project truck with plenty of potential. It features a 402 big block engine installed in the early 1980s, along with a 3-speed column shift transmission. With 85,333 original miles, it remains in relatively good condition. The body is straight, but there is rust in some areas, including the fenders. The bedwood has been replaced, and the original seat shows signs of wear. Recently, the truck has undergone various maintenance updates, including a new fuel tank, brake components, tires, and more. A great opportunity for a vintage truck restoration. More details available. Here is a 1976 Ford F100 4x4, a classic pickup that has remained within the same family since new. This truck is equipped with a 360/390 engine and a manual transmission. It runs and drives, but does have rust around the window drip molding. The truck bed has been replaced with one from an 80s Ford model. Recent updates include a new set of BF Goodrich tires, a new gas tank, and new power steering components. A great candidate for a vintage off-road build or restoration. Click the link for further details. Introducing the 1965 Chevrolet C20, a long bed classic pickup with a solid patina look and reliable mechanical upgrades. This truck is powered by a 327 V8 engine with a fresh rebuild, featuring a newly tuned carburetor, a new water pump, and a recently replaced heater core. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it offers a true vintage driving experience. The body remains straight with no major dents, and it rolls on a new set of tires and rims. With current registration and a clean title, this C20 is an ideal candidate for enthusiasts seeking a reliable driver or a foundation for further restoration. Don't miss out on this classic workhorse. Check the link for more details. Next up, we have a 1965 Ford F100 4x4, a robust and dependable pickup with a strong inline-6 engine and manual transmission. The truck has been well maintained with new tires, a fresh carburetor, and recently replaced wheel bearings, brakes, and fuel pump. With 101,000 miles on the odometer, this classic still runs great and is ready for the road or further customization. Its vibrant yellow paint adds to its charm, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Whether you're looking for a reliable vintage truck or a restoration project, this F100 is a solid choice. For more details, check the link. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird is a true classic, blending elegance and performance in a sleek coupe body. With an original Rangoon red finish, this T-Bird has retained much of its vintage appeal, including its original glass, vinyl top, and interior. Under the hood, the 8-cylinder engine has undergone $3,000 worth of mechanical work, ensuring a strong running powertrain. The sequential turn signals may need some attention, and the paint has some minor aging on the trunk and hood, but this car is an excellent candidate for restoration. Smooth shifting and a clean title make this Thunderbird a great find for collectors. Click the link for additional details. Here's a 1972 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, a classic long bed pickup with plenty of potential. Featuring a powerful 429 V8 engine, disc brakes, power steering, and an automatic transmission, this truck runs strong but could use some TLC. The interior needs work, making it an excellent project for someone looking to restore a vintage Ford to its former glory. Its striking blue paint gives it a standout look, and with a clean title, it's ready for its next owner. If you're looking for a solid project truck with great mechanical bones, this F100 is worth considering. See the link for more details. This 1941 Ford pickup is an old-school street rod with plenty of character and potential. Titled as a 1940 model, it features a small block Chevy engine, an automatic transmission, and a 9-inch Ford rear end. Power disc brakes, power windows, and an 8-track stereo add to its vintage appeal. While the truck has been sitting for many years, it rolls freely but will require a full mechanical overhaul. Rust is present in some areas, and the engine does not turn by hand, making it an excellent candidate for a full restoration. Classic Ford pickups from this era are becoming increasingly rare, making this a unique opportunity for collectors and restorers alike. Click the link for more detail. This 1947 Jeep Willys station wagon is a rare find with plenty of upgrades. Powered by a 283 Chevy engine mated to a 350 turbo automatic transmission, this classic runs strong and is nearly ready for a final paint job. A Pazza traction rear end, new tires and rims, updated brakes, fresh gauges, and an AM/FM/CD radio add to its appeal. With a clean title and a nearly finished body, this Willys presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to complete a classic project with minimal effort. Whether you're a Jeep enthusiast or a collector, this one is worth checking out. Click the link for more information. Here's a 1955 Mercury Monterey, a vintage coupe with plenty of charm and potential. This classic runs and drives, with a clean title and an extra set of original wheels and rims included. The body is in good shape, making it a solid foundation for restoration. It's a great project car for those looking to bring a mid-century Mercury back to life. Serious inquiries only. Check the link for more information. Up next is a 1972 Chevrolet Impala, an old-school project car with great potential. Featuring a 350 small block V8, this Impala runs well with low mileage, but it requires some bodywork and interior restoration to bring it back to its full glory. If you're looking for a classic cruiser that just needs a bit of attention, this Impala could be the perfect fit. Click the link. This 1960 Sunbeam Alpine SII is a rare British roadster with a rust-free body and a rebuilt 1,725 cubic centimeters engine. Owned since 1985 and garaged since 1990, this convertible has been well preserved but requires some final mechanical touches, including front-end alignment and ball joint replacements. It comes with an extra set of wire knockoff wheels and a like-new tonneau cover. The electrical system is positive ground, and while the wiring could use some tidying up, all gauges and switches function properly. A collectible classic at a firm price, this Sunbeam Alpine is a great find for European car enthusiasts. Click the link for more information. Closing out this selection, we have a 1963 Dodge Dart GT, rare push-button automatic model in excellent condition. The slant 6 engine runs strong, and the black paint gives it a sleek appearance. Inside, bucket seats and good upholstery make for a comfortable ride. With no rips or tears in the interior, this Dart is a well-preserved example of Dodge's early muscle car lineage. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or a collectible classic, this Dart GT is an appealing option. Check the link for more details.